In today's short film, we address a serious subject concerning a disease that is plaguing modern society and has only really become prevalent in the modern era. Alzheimer's disease, a condition that slowly robs millions of people of their memories and cognitive abilities, has puzzled scientists for decades. But what if a common ingredient in your kitchen could be playing a surprising role? Today, we'll examine the Alzheimer's enigma and explore one potential yet overlooked culprit: vegetable oil. Vegetable oils such as soybean, corn, sunflower and canola oil are heavily processed and rich in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 is an essential fatty acid that our bodies need, the modern diet tends to be overloaded with it, creating an imbalance with omega-3 fatty acids. This imbalance is believed to trigger chronic inflammation throughout the body. And here's the troubling part. Chronic inflammation has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's. Inflammation in the brain can permanently damage neurons, the very cells responsible for our memory and cognitive function. Vegetable oils are everywhere, in your favorite snacks, processed foods, and even healthy-sounding options. Crisps, salad dressings, mayonnaise, snacks, margarine, mustard, and many baked goods contain significant amounts of vegetable oil. Even fried foods in restaurants are often cooked in these oils, exposing you to their potential long-term effects. We'd always encourage you to read the food labels at the supermarket next time you visit, so when you're reaching for that bag of crisps or ordering fried chicken, consider that you might be exposing your brain to these harmful oils on a daily basis. But it's not all bad news. You can make simple swaps that not only promote brain health, but are also better for overall well-being. Extra virgin olive oil, for example, is rich in antioxidants and has been associated with reduced inflammation. Studies even suggest that it may lower the risk of cognitive decline. Another great option is avocado oil, which is rich in monounsaturated fats, helping protect brain cells from damage. And if you're looking for a cooking oil with a high smoke point, coconut oil can be a perfect choice. It's filled with healthy, saturated fats that provide a quick source of energy for the brain. Alzheimer's disease is a complex condition with many potential causes, and while vegetable oil isn't the sole culprit, it's definitely a factor worth considering in our modern diets. By making simple swaps and choosing healthier oils, you can take small steps toward protecting your brain health. Remember, what you cook with matters. If you found this video insightful, be sure to click the like button for me, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips and science-backed insights. Thanks for watching. Take good care of yourself and your loved ones, and let's keep our brains healthy together.